Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make public emotes on Roblox. First, you'll need to design your animation using a 3D modeling software. Then, export it in a compatible format, like an FBX file. Next, we'll cover uploading your animation to the Roblox platform. Finally, I'll guide you through the process of configuring your emote and making it available for other players to use and enjoy in their games. To begin, you'll need to design your emote animation. Many creators use software such as Blender or Maya to craft their unique movements. Focus on making your animation expressive and relatively short, perhaps lasting only a few seconds. If you want it to repeat seamlessly, ensure it's loopable. Once your animation is perfect, export it as an FBX file, which is the standard format for Roblox. Now, let's get your animation into Roblox Studio. Open Studio and either create a new experience or open an existing one. Use the Asset Manager to import your FBX animation file. After importing, you'll need to convert this raw animation data into a proper animation object within Studio. This step is crucial for Roblox to recognize and play your custom movement. Finally, save your animation to the Roblox platform. The final step is making your emote public. In the animation settings, ensure its privacy is set to public so others can use it. You'll then need to get the unique asset ID for your uploaded animation. This ID is essential for integrating the emote into a game script, allowing players to trigger it. Once the script is in place and tested, publish your game, and players will be able to enjoy your custom emote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.